Sat Sri Akal, Adab and Namaskar. I'm here with you and I'm feeling very good to be active with you through this medium. Uh, First of all, I would like to know about your health. I hope that all of you are doing very well during this hard time of COVID-19 in fact. And let me come to the subject for which I am here to talk about. I will be discussing a few of the ragas which I am going to take in the paper of stage performance of your standard, that is MA final year, MA Music final year. And maybe you'll find it quite interesting. It will be, this video will talk about one or two ragas of your stage performance, and maybe I'll be discussing few of the compositions which I may take in your classes time, which I'll take in your classes. So talking about the ragas, I'll talk about Multani first. So I guess it will be beneficial to you. Again, let me repeat, it is just introduction. I'll be giving just an introduction or a brief introduction about the rag which I'm going to take up with you. So here I begin with Rag Multani. So what I am doing here, talking in the terms of stage performance, I am just trying to make the architectonics of this rag. I mean, I'm just trying to do a brief alab which describes the structure of this raga, how the rikhab has to be used, how the dhevat has to be used. So I just want to give a brief about it, or how it has been used in this raga. So maybe the bandish which I am going to take with you, let me try to recite the bandish. ਗਲਤੀਆਂ ਲਈ ਮੈਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੀ ਮਾਫੀ ਦਾ ਹੱਕਦਾਰ ਹਾਂ. So it's not that I'm performing, I'm just trying to elaborate it, like how the things are going to be included in your course. So how you can elaborate the raga in terms of alap, that will be discussed. Number 2, for example, now I am trying to elaborate the Gandhar and the Madhyam note. Go, go. So you can understand the thing which I am trying to tell you. Go, go. So the same way, the sargam and akar and rest of the things, they will be followed. I just give you a small idea how the sargam part I am going to teach you. Ni sa ga sa, ni sa ga ma ga sa, ni sa ga ma pa. Gama bani daba, gama bani daba ma ba gama bama gama ga re sa ni sa gama bani da ga re sa ni sa bani sa ni daba ma ba gama bama gama ga re sa ni sa gama bani sa ni daba ma ga re sa ni sa ga go ga. So may I remind you again, this is just a blueprint of the things which we are going to discuss. So that will be followed by the Drut Khyal. Maybe it can be in 12 beats, maybe it can be in 16 beats. Depends upon the capacity and capability of a student. So we, being a teacher, will try to give our best. Whoever is taking your class, whoever is dealing with you with a different subject, we are just here to focus on your progress, on your betterment. That's what we are committed for. So these are the things which we'll be discussing with you. It was just an example of a raga which I am going to take up with you. So I do hope that this video and the information which I have tried to give it to you would be more beneficial. So thank you, and we'll be dealing with such ragas, how to perform it on the stage. Moreover, as you can see that I am sitting in this college studio, we'll be even discussing the technicalities of this, how we have to sing in this studio, what are the things which are required, what are the basic fundamentals which you are supposed to learn. That will be discussed too. Apart from this main traditional concept of teaching, we'll be also talking about the contemporary music, which is included into your stage performance paper. Thank you. I thank everyone whoever has been watching this video. I thank my head of the department, the principal, who has given us with this wonderful opportunity to share with you. Thank you, and stay safe. Sat Shri Akal. And this was Dr. Tajinder Pal Singh from PG Department of Music, Khalsa College, Patara. Thank you.